Do you know the 100 most important math questions for your class 10? Save this video and let's find out.
Question number 85. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. Then show that it is a trapezium. Let's start. So first of all, look at the diagram. We will do one construction. We will draw the line OE such that it is parallel to AB. Now look at the triangle ADB. So in the triangle ADB, OE is parallel to AB. So I can apply the basic proportionality theorem and I can write DE upon EA is equal to DO upon OB. Okay? Let's call it equation number 1. Now, what is given to you in the question that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. Okay? So let's interchange the AO and DO values. That will give you DO upon BO is equal to CO upon AO. Okay? Let's call it equation number 2. Now look at equation number 1 and 2. So in equation number 1, the right hand side is DO upon OB. And in equation number 2, the left hand side is DO upon OB, which is same. Okay, so basically we can equate the left hand side of equation number 1 and right hand side of equation number 2. So that will give you DE upon EA is equal to CO upon AO. So if you consider the triangle ADC, and if you look at this result, then we can say that EO is parallel to CD because of the converse of the basic proportionality theorem, right? Now EO is parallel to AB also and EO is parallel to CD also, which means AB is also parallel to CD. So in the quadrilateral ABCD, if two opposite sides are parallel, it will be a trapezium, hence proved.